If you're tired of constantly battling poor connectivity while navigating unfamiliar places, you might want to consider Organic Maps. This offline Maps app aims to provide a seamless experience without the need for an internet connection. But does it really deliver? Organic Maps is an open source navigation app designed for offline use, which means you can download maps and access them without any data connection. This is particularly useful for travelers or outdoor enthusiasts who venture into areas with spotty service. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to find your way around various terrains. One of the standout features is the detailed map data sourced from OpenStreetMap, which means you're getting community-driven updates that can be quite accurate. The app also allows you to search for points of interest, get route suggestions, and even create your own custom maps. However, while it does a lot right, there are still areas that feel a bit rough around the edges. For instance, some users report that the search function can be hit or miss, and it may not have all the features found in more established navigation apps. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Organic Maps is completely free and open source, which is a significant plus for privacy-conscious users. The offline capability is a game changer for those in remote areas. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some users may find the map updates aren't as frequent as they would like, and occasionally the app can lag a bit, especially on older devices. Additionally, while it's beginner-friendly, advanced users might find it lacking in certain features like advanced route planning or real-time traffic updates. So, if you're someone who relies heavily on navigation for daily commutes, you might want to consider other options. In conclusion, Organic Maps is a solid choice for those looking for an offline navigation solution, especially if you value privacy and open source software. However, if you need robust features and real-time data, you might want to explore other navigation apps. Overall, it's worth trying, but manage your expectations based on your specific needs.